Start. Engine. Hi now. Just so you know that he blew that whistle just for us. There you go. Great tanker, ADMX. A shiny black tanker, ADMX. Black tanker, ADMX. A rusty gray ADMX. Black Syrax. Black CRGX. Black Udlex double shot. Black PRGX. A rusty white Tilix and a gray PRGX. And there are 8 hoppers. First one's a rusty one. Second one's a blue one. Third one, some yellow graffiti. Fourth one is not a rusty one, Pacific Lines. Fifth one is UP, EU, or DU. This is number 6, number 7, number 8. There you have it. And that's a nice job well done. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel today. Until then, this is Tori. I'll see you next time.